Okay, we have a TOS gap bed engine lathe. 25 with 34.5 in the gap by 80 in centers. It's a model SN63C. It's new in 1997. Serial number 0763209-70109. Again, this has got a removable gap. We have a 3-jaw chuck, a 4-jaw chuck, a taper turning attachment, a steady rest, a follow rest, a face plate, a 4-way tool post, a drill chuck, rapid traverse, very well equipped. We're going to run her for you. That's a low speed. By the way, you can see the machine also has a D18 spindle, and it's a 2 3/4 inch hole capacity. Forward and reverse. Okay, it went up in speed. It has from 10 to 1,000 RPM. He's feeding, longitudinal of the carriage. Other direction. Cross. And the other direction of the cross. Rapido. Great. He engaged the lead screw, and now he engaged the half nut, and we are threading. So you saw a thread, feed, rapid. You saw a couple of different speeds. That's the tailstock. He's moving the quill out. Roller bearing underneath the tailstock. When you let the lock go, you can push it quite easily. Reverse. That's 1,000 RPM. Okay, so you heard high speeds, low speeds. You saw it thread, you saw it feed, you saw it rapid. Again, the only other thing you might want to show is the taper turning attachment in the back and the tooling. You got it. Okay, thank you very much.